Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. As you all know, this is our week 9 and we have a chapter 12 angles. And our first lesson is angles on a straight line. Now we start our topic today with some previous knowledge. Let's start from angles. Everybody knows that an angle is formed when two straight lines meet at a point. The point is known as the vertex. We have these two straight lines, and at the yellow part these two straight lines are meet. This point is called the vertex, and these two rays are known as the arm of an angle. So everybody know that an angle have three parts. It has two arms. The red arrows show the arms. The yellow part is the vertex and the blue part is the angle. What is the vertex? The common point where the two rays meet is known as the vertex. Here we have two rays and they meet at this yellow part. Yes, this one. And this is known as the vertex. And what is the arms? The rays that meet up angles. So here we have these two rays. They meet to make an angle. These two rays are known as the arm of angle. Now the third part is the degree. The measure of the size of the angle is known as the degree. Here where two arms meet, the outer part is known as the vertex and the inner part is known as the degree. Here this one is known as the degree. Degree is the measurement that how much an angle have. So an angle have three parts: the vertex, the arm and the degree. Everybody must remember the sum of the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. In other words, when we have a straight line and all the angles add up to 180 degree. If a straight line have two angles or more than two angles, here we have two angles. Now if I draw another line, now it has three angles. These three angles add up to 180 degree. When I add these three angles, it makes 180 degree. So this must be remember for doing the angles on a straight line. Let's have an example. We use protractor to measure the size of the angle. Here we use a protractor. Now we have two angles, angle A and angle B. The measurement of angle A is 120 degree and the measurement of angle B is 60 degree. When two angles meet on a straight line add up to 180 degree. This is the proof that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. So when I add 120 plus 60 degree, it is equal to 180 degree. So it is proved here that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Now we have a question from our textbook. ABC is a straight line. Here we have A, B and C is a straight line, and Angle ABD is 110 degree. Find angle X. ABD is 110 and DBC is angle X. Now we have to prove, we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. So angle ABD plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. So when I want to find out the angle X, I took 110 to the other side of the equal sign. So angle X is equal to 180 minus 110. This is equal to 70 degree. So this is how we find the angles on a straight line when from two angles only one angle is given and we have to find the other angle. So how we do, we have to subtract 180, we have to subtract the angle from 180 and that is equal to 70 degree. This is the proof that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Okay student, now I explain you further example from textbook page number 241. This is our question number 5. DEF is a straight line. Here we have DEF. DEF is a straight line and find angle Y. We are going to find angle Y. We have a straight line DEF. We have one angle is 35 and we are going to find angle Y. We know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. So if I want to find out the angle Y, one angle from a straight line, we have to subtract 180 degree minus 35. So when I subtract these two values, I get 145 degree. So the answer is 145. This is your question number 6. PQR is a straight line. PQR is a straight line. Find angle Z. This is angle Z. We are going to find out this angle Z. Now we have two angles. In class 4, we learned that this box means 90 degree angle. And here we have 42 degree. Now we very well know that angle on a straight line add up to 180 degree. So if I want to find one angle from a straight line, I subtract the remaining angles from 180 degree. 180 minus 90 minus 42 degree. So 180 minus 90, that is the 90. 90 minus 42, that is 48 degree. We have example number 8. ABC is a straight line. Here we have A, B and C. We have ABC is a straight line. Find angle DBE. DBE. This one is the angle DBE. Now we have these three angles on a straight line and we must know the property angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. In other words, when I add these three angles, the answer must be 180 degree. So if I want to find out one angle from three angles, so I subtract these two angles from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 50 degree minus 25 degree. 180 minus 50, that is 130, and 130 degree minus 25 degree, I get 105 degree. Now we have another question, that is question number 8. This is the question in which how you critical think about this. Is XYZ is a straight line? How we know that XYZ is a straight line? We very well know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. If I add up all the angles on a straight line, their answer must be 180 degree. If the answer we get 180 degree, that means the line is a straight line. Otherwise, the line is not straight. So I add 139 plus 43 degree. I get 182 degree. So the line is not straight. The line is not a straight line, as the answer not proves the property that the answer is not equal to 180 degree. If we get the answer 180 degree, then the line must be a straight line. So this line is not a straight line. Hope you all understand angles on a straight line.